gini ya.
Okay, wait. Hey everyone, welcome to my very first episode of my YouTube channel. My name is Koki and this is All Things Koki Kamala. I am a fashion designer. I do some interior design work and I love to cook. So we're going to be covering fashion, food, and interior decor. Right now I'm in the house of a friend who asked me to help transform his place for Airbnb. So I'm here right now in Bali, but I'm actually based in India. I live in India. I've been living there for the past 6 years. And people often ask me, why do you live in India? Honestly, India is one of the most inspiring places. It's so vibrant and colorful and a wonderful place for a creative person like me. So I really love it. I have a factory over there. We make leather bags. And why am I in Bali right now? When I got stuck here during the pandemic and I just recently came back again, and I discovered so many things about Bali. First of all, Bali is such an artisanal and just creative and just magical place. First of all, it's just beautiful. I mean, there's just beauty around you everywhere. But one of the things that I did, I started off with my home decor journey. I've always been doing it for fun, but I started off sourcing furniture for a friend who's opening a resort in Zambia, and I traveled to Java, and oh my goodness, I traveled to JOGJA, which is like the home of like handicrafts, and you know, it's so amazing, as you can see in the videos. I traveled to Japara, which is the home of like furniture making. I mean, they make some of the best furniture in Japara. Almost every home is a workshop. There are streets and streets and streets of like furniture and wood, antique wood. It is just so beautiful. I got to source for a villa that I was working on in Bali, and then when I came back to Bali, I also got to work with some amazing, talented, you know, artisans, and we work together. Yeah, they're my friends.
Hai Pak, apa kabar?
Baik-baik.
Baik, Made. Pak Made, kemarin aku lihat video Koki pernah kesini Pak ya?
Ya, sering kesini dia.
Pak, pesan apa di sini?
Dia pesan pintu di sini.
Kemarin saya lihat dia sempat pahat juga sini Pak ya?
Dia pinter pahatnya dia. Pinter sekali dia.
Gimana Pak kerja bareng Koki?
Ya, bagus dia. Dia pinter dia.
Oke Pak Made, terima kasih ya waktunya.
Sama, ya.
Yeah, so I made a lot of friends, and one of them is family furniture. If you're ever looking to make anything, they're the best. They deliver on time. Their work is impeccable, and they're in Karabokan in Bali. I'm actually going to link some of my favorite people in the description box. But yeah, I had so much fun just creating and meeting wonderful artists as well. If you're looking for art as well, there are many wonderful artists. What I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to link a bunch of people that I worked with, that I met along the way. If you're looking to buy furniture and source furniture in Bali, I'm going to put a list of those people, a link to all those people that I worked with. Yeah, so I had fun. I worked on an amazing project, and it just led me to all other ones. You know, I really love doing this so much, and so on this channel we're going to be covering befores and afters of, you know, houses and projects that I'm working on. I'm going to go to Budapest this year and work on some stuff, and I actually have a clothing line, and I love watching fashion hauls on YouTube. So I'm going to be doing fashion hauls of my own clothing line and reviewing latest collections and so forth. And I've recently become a part-time vegan. What is a part-time vegan? I've recently started just eating mostly vegan to work on a book. So we're also going to go behind the scenes with that. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm going to be talking about fashion,